This is wild. In the first shot, I want to show a clear split-screen comparison. On the left is original, a real frame from Blood and Dust by Ajiboye Ahmad. On the right is recreation, the AI version I created inside CapCut PC, and that immediately shows the whole idea. One frame from a short drama can now become completely new scenes inside CapCut PC. This is not a random collage or a messy edit. It is a complete workflow where I recreate the character, preserve the visual style, generate new shots, and assemble a finished short drama inside one desktop project. Today, I am testing CapCut PC using Blood and Dust by Ajiboye Ahmad as my reference. Let's get into it. I start from the official CapCut PC campaign link instead of searching for random tools online. Then the entire process stays inside one CapCut PC project, from AI image generation and character creation to AI video, editing, and export. For this example, I take one frame from Blood and Dust and analyze it visually. Next, I open the Generate section inside CapCut PC and select AI image. I upload the original character frame as my visual reference. Then I write a short prompt asking CapCut to create a consistent 4-view character sheet of the same character from different angles. After that, I select the image generation model. I can use GPT Image 2 or Seedream 5.0. For this project, I choose GPT Image 2 to preserve the character's key details and keep the look consistent. Then I click Generate. The result is a 4-view character sheet showing the same character from the front, 3/4 angle, side profile, and back 3/4 angle. For short drama content, character consistency is extremely important. The audience immediately notices when the same character suddenly looks like a completely different person. Once the character looks consistent, I move on to scene recreation. I select AI video, add one of the generated character images, and use the image-to-video workflow. Then I write a prompt describing the movement, facial expression, camera motion, atmosphere, and the action I want to see. In this case, I change the story by turning the scene into a fight. I ask the model to show the man suddenly knocking the gun out of the main character's hand, and that moment kicks off a fast, dramatic battle in the middle of the Western town. Next, I choose the video generation model. When I want faster generation and need to test several different versions, I use Seedance 2.0 Mini. Seedance 2.0 Mini is useful for faster and more affordable iteration, especially when I want to explore different movements, camera angles, and story ideas before choosing the final clips. When I want sharper detail and a more polished final result, I can use Seedance 2.0 4K. Seedance 2.0 4K gives the final shot more detail, cleaner image quality, and a more premium cinematic look. After selecting the model, I click Generate. This is where the static AI images become moving video clips. At this stage, I focus on 3 things: character consistency, motion quality, and whether the shots still feel visually connected. If one result looks too stiff or unnatural, I generate another version. If one camera angle works especially well, I can build the next part of the sequence around it. Once the clips are ready, I bring everything into the multi-track editor inside CapCut PC. I arrange the shots in the correct order, adjust the pacing, and add captions, music, sound effects, transitions, and final visual adjustments. The AI tools give me the individual building blocks, and the multi-track editor turns them into a complete short drama sequence. So the main takeaway is this: CapCut PC can help creators go from one original frame to a consistent character, new cinematic scenes, AI-generated video clips, and a finished short drama, all inside one workflow. One frame from Blood and Dust became the starting point for an entirely new sequence without filming additional scenes. To try it yourself, comment CapCut, and I'll send you the link. You can also use the link in the description to try CapCut PC. Subscribe to AI Arena for more practical AI video workflows for creators.